Nick here at MedTech World. I've got Axel Strombergsson here with me from Veeva. Good to have you.
Thank you for having me. It's great to be here.
And thanks for being a sponsor and one of the, I guess, effectively you're a founder of MedTech World.
No, for sure.
You're here, going to go straight to, you've got a specific message, specific product that you're here with that really suits the people who are at events like this. Of course, you deal with top tier people, the likes of the Baxters, but in terms of provision of a service that's specific for here, let's talk about that.
Yeah, sure. And let me give a little bit of background about the company I work for, Veeva Systems. We are a very large software provider that serves the life sciences industry. And we started 17 years ago in the pharmaceutical space. About 6-7 years ago, we took our enterprise solutions into MedTech. We created the division Veeva MedTech, which is the sponsor of this event. On the enterprise side of Veeva MedTech, we are serving all the large companies. So 19 of the top 20 largest companies are customer of ours. So Medtronic, BD Baxter, and so on and so forth. Going on that journey, what we of course recognize is that our enterprise solutions are not really a fit for companies that you would find here at MedTech World, the smaller MedTechs of the world. So for the past 5 years or so, we developed a new product that we call QuickVault. We launched it 2 years ago, and that's an eQMS platform specifically developed for smaller MedTech companies, whether you're pre-commercial or you're in commercial distribution and scaling from there.
Cool. And what's within this platform? What services, etc.?
Yeah, it's a good question. So if you look at eQMS, an electronic quality management system solution, traditionally those type of software would then manage documents, training, quality events, and things of that nature. We have taken, of course, our product has all that functionality as well, but we're looking for that broader value to a company across an organization. So we have full design control automation, so you can go through a design and development project for your device with built-in risk management module. And tethered to that, we actually have a submissions module. So as you go through your design and development project, you can start building out that submission, say to the FDA, like a 510K. So when you get to the end of the project, your submission is ready to go. And that really accelerates the timeline for smaller companies like this to get to the market. And in addition to that, like I said, we focus more cross-functionally to provide a broader value. A lot of our competitors are like super focused on just getting to the market. That's how they brand it. We can get you to the market faster, which we also can do. But of course, that's just a milestone for a startup company that you would find here. Getting to market, getting CE mark or 510K clearance, huge milestone. But that's just part of your journey. What really matters for companies here and investors is that commercial success. And that's really our focus with the software solution, is to help companies get to market faster, but provide that infrastructure and support for them to grow over time to get into that commercial success, where also then hopefully an exit happens, right? An acquisition. And since we serve all the large companies in the world, which are the ones that are doing acquisitions, it's very beneficial to use QuickVault as a startup, because when a bigger company comes in and does their due diligence,
they see, oh, you're
using Veeva too. And that's a check mark. It's an easy transition pathway into what the bigger companies are using.